Last week, my store just did over $17,000 in just 2 orders in just one single day. I'm gonna do a quick refresh just so you guys see. February 7th, 2025, we did $17,000. So I'm saying this because I have done years and years of extensive research inside the online business world, selling products online. But in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys, first of all, what Amazon FBA is, then I will share with you guys what high ticket dropshipping is, and then I will also share with you guys the pros and cons of each of these 2 business models, and then compare and contrast which one I personally like. So if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Marcus Slam. I'm a 7-figure e-commerce entrepreneur from Brooklyn, New York, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, hit the subscribe. Okay, so first let's talk about Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. And here's how it works. You purchase products in bulk and then you ship them to Amazon's massive network of fulfillment centers. When a customer orders your product, Amazon takes care of the entire process from picking and packing to shipping and even handling returns. This system allows you to focus on what matters the most, which is your business, like product sourcing, marketing, while leveraging Amazon's trusted logistics and customer service. Now, here are some of the biggest advantages of Amazon FBA, which is their access to millions of Amazon's customers. That's millions of active shoppers that you're instantly connected to as a result for working with Amazon. And the fulfillment process, when you do get the orders, is very hands-off so that you're able to speak directly with the customers at little cost and be able to scale upwards in volume without worrying about supply chain. However, it's also very important to consider some downsides as well. First, there's a significant upfront investment since you need to start purchasing inventory in bulk. This could tie into your profit margins very easily. And there's also Amazon FBA fees from your storage to your shipping, which could sometimes eat into your profit margins as well. And also finally, selling on Amazon will limit your control of your business. You're gonna have very strong limitations to your branding. Amazon has very strict guidelines on how you could present your products, how you could brand your products, which may not be a good idea if you're trying to build your own unique brand. So overall, if you have some capital to invest and you're excited about tapping into a massive marketplace with great logistics, Amazon FBA is going to be a good choice for you. It's a system that is streamlined and you don't have to worry about customer service or fulfillment, but it does require capital and extensive market insights. Okay, now let's talk about high ticket dropshipping. So high ticket dropshipping is what I do. It's the business model that's all over my YouTube channel, and it is quite different from Amazon FBA because you don't have to hold any inventory. Instead, you list high value products, luxury goods, specialized equipment, products that have high profit margins. And when a customer makes a purchase, your supplier ships the product directly to them instead of you using Amazon. That means that you only pay for the product after a sale is made, which significantly reduces your financial risk. Now, one of the key advantages of high ticket dropshipping is the low upfront capital investment. So here's the thing, you're not spending a lot of money buying inventory in advance like Amazon because you could test out different niches, different products before making a huge financial commitment. That's actually what I tell a lot of the suppliers that I work with. I don't go into purchasing in bulk unless I could have a proven strategy or a proven work of concept with the product before I go into making any big, large upfront financial commitment, because it only makes sense. I'm going to start with the dropshipping model first, test the market, and if it does sell, then I could go and buy in bulk during the slower seasons or during Q4, times like that during the year. Now, additionally, because you're dealing with high value items, the profit margins can be substantially higher even if you're not selling a high volume of products. Plus, since you're operating from your own storefront, you don't have to worry about Amazon giving you strict guidelines, having control balls deep into the nitty-gritty of your business. And some of the biggest challenges that you might face going into high ticket dropshipping as compared with Amazon, because I'm trying to make this video as non-biased as possible, even though I do high ticket dropshipping, is high ticket dropshipping, you're heavily dependent on suppliers. But like all business, you do need a really good supplier. So if a supplier fails to deliver on shipping delivery or product quality, it might damage your reputation. And if you don't have good customer service intact with good supply chain, customers purchasing these expensive items have expectations that you might not be able to meet then, which will then bring you back and forth headaches, which will then crumble your business. So that's something that Amazon takes away. It doesn't have to, you take full control of the customer service and the branding and finding the customers. It's all there for you, but with its drawbacks and strengths as well. Now, another aspect to consider is marketing. Since you're running your own website, you'll also need to invest in traffic to your store through SEO, through paid advertising, and social media marketing. It will require more effort and more expertise as compared to leveraging an established marketplace like Amazon. But if you're someone who loves building and taking full control of your business, then high ticket dropshipping is going to be a very rewarding model. And that's actually what I see most people that have done 6, 7, 8, 9 figures with Amazon FBA tell me. It's like, we run so much work for the business only to, number one, be at the mercy of Amazon if they just want to go ahead and put a cease and desist, just take away everything like that because it's their storefront. If you invest into product and it doesn't sell, you're screwed. You're constantly always using the cash flow to try to build. It's a very slow, long burning process, but hey, listen, that's up to you. So, which model should you choose? The answer depends on your personal situation, okay? If you have the resources, if you want to be more hands-off, then you're going to choose Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA might be a better choice for you. If you have some upfront capital to invest in bulk inventory, if you want the convenience of Amazon's large, enormous customer base with streamlined logistics, then you should do them, all right? You should go into Amazon FBA if you want a more automated, hands-off approach to fulfillment. However, if you're someone like me that didn't really have much when first starting, I didn't have tons of money to invest into inventory, well then you should consider high ticket dropshipping if you have minimal startup investment, if you don't want to invest into inventory, if you're interested in selling high margin, expensive products where even a few sales could be very profitable, if you value having complete control over your business and you are prepared to handle your own marketing and prepared to handle your customer service, then high ticket dropshipping is going to be for you. Now, both models, like every business model out there, is going to have its unique benefits and challenges. Okay, Amazon FBA offers convenience and a massive built-in audience, but requires significant upfront investment and can limit your branding options. High ticket dropshipping, meanwhile, is a lower risk model with potential for higher profits per sale, but it will also depend more on strong supplier relationships, effective marketing strategies, and good customer service systems. And like all business model, there's no one size fits all when it comes to choosing between FBA or high ticket dropshipping or even social media agency. Your decision should be based on your current resources, your risk tolerance, and how much control you want over your business. And so if you're feeling overwhelmed with what to do, you don't know what to do, and you want some more personalized guidance to choose the right business model and build your e-commerce business, I have an exclusive opportunity for you. I'm currently accepting applications for my one-on-one mentorship program. In this program, we will work together closely to analyze your goals, choose the best strategy, whether it is for high ticket dropshipping or even a more hybrid approach where we'll give you a personalized, tailored, step-by-step plan for you. When you guys join our mentorship program, you're not gonna be in all the other mentorship programs that have maybe potentially scammed you in the past, or they didn't give you the personalization that you wanted to. Inside my coaching mentorship, which I can only really speak for with myself, we have a 0.6% chargeback rate. We have less than a 5% refund rate, which basically means we're not perfect, but over 80% of the clients that do come in and work with us do end up doing really well with this business model, simply because our coaching program, we're not gonna take 5 days to respond like other coaching programs out there. We will have 24-hour guaranteed response. We try to aim for within the 1 to 2 hour, but at scale, just to be on paper, 24 hours guaranteed is gonna be a must. You could schedule unlimited one-on-one calls with us. You'll have a mindset accountability coach to keep you consistent inside the right environment for you to grow and prosper. You'll have live calls of me speaking with the manufacturers. So whether you speak with Amazon FBA manufacturers, try to close them. I've spoken with many FBA warehousing managers. I know a lot of them personally. I also speak with high ticket suppliers. I know all of this inside out, and I will share with you guys some of my live calls of me negotiating and even closing these suppliers. I'll share with you guys all of the insight strategies to what's trending. We give you guys all of the niche recommendations, all of the trends that we're currently seeing in the marketplace, and then applying it to your e-commerce business. So if you guys are interested, our program will help you get to $10,000 a month in 24 weeks in profit, guaranteed, or your money back.